Medicine.
Medicine.
To eat it.
Yeah, Twirl doesn't eat cough drops. They're not good for Twirl.
Mama
Mama eats them sometimes, that's right.
cough drops. Mama eat cough drop. Dada's.
Dada's holding the camera. Maybe he's going to take a picture of you with a cough drop.
Cough drop. Choose the red one. Yellow one.
A red one and a yellow one. How many cough drops is it?
1, 2.
That's right, 2. 2 cough drops.
Mama eat
I do when I have a sore throat. I'm not going to eat any right now, though.
Mama sleepy.
I am sleepy, that's true. I'll take a nap on your head. Oh, yeah.